Good evening, my brothers and sisters in Christ. Vicki here, coming to you from Southeast Central Kansas. We just have a breaking washroom report. The last 23 minutes, it is now 6:17 p.m. Central Standard Time. 6.0 earthquake, Smith Valley, Nevada. Hundreds felt it. Okay, hundreds have, well, probably thousands, okay, but hundreds have commented on the earthquake European model site, okay. 6.0 earthquake, Smith Valley, Nevada. Love you guys. Stand strong in the faith. There's so much going on. Surely King Jesus comes quickly. Christ was crucified for the sins of man, and God the Father rose him from the dead 3 days later. That's the gospel. Call upon the name of the Lord while he may still be found. Love you guys.